Yes, marhaba my good people, welcome to a new video. Wake up very early, do whatever it takes to fix your wallet strength and your strength, man. Another video, man. Welcome to another video. This is crazy because I'm supposed to be in the forest cooking and I'm starting my video in town, Eastmart supermarket. Yeah. And on this video I'm going to give someone 200. I'll be giving someone 200 who let me tell you. On today's video I've told you, wake up very early, do everything to fix your wallet, strength and mind. On the other video I told you something, the word of the other video. So this 200 I'm going to give someone who's going to comment what I say. Just in time to get some things, man. Let me cross the road. In a few we'll be cooking with zero cooking skills. Sijui kama wataruhusu record hapa ndani. Let me go and get some drinks. Mimi napenda minute. Yes. Popo. Si niko sawa nikirecord hapo ndani. Hata nikataka kurecord hapo ndani. Si record mtu lakini. Aya, asante. We are here. Yes, so on today's video I've told you, do everything. Wake up very early to do everything, whatever it takes, man. Whatever it takes. Hello. Tuko wapi? Kompyuta vyote. Ni YouTube.
Yes.
So wewe watu kutoka Eastmart. Uko fit lakini? Yes, we are here, man. Mimi napenda Minute Maid 85. Last time I bought Minute Maid ilikuwa 80 bob. Yaani vitu tu zinapanda man. Unaweza kuja na budget yako alafu ya ribiki. Guys, you don't know how much I love Minute Maid, man. Sijui nichukue gani, the apple one. Nikula apple sana. Acha nichukue ini orange. Yes, in a few we'll be cooking, man. We're going to be cooking. Yeah, do whatever it takes to fix your mind. Do whatever it takes to fix your wallet. Nichukue keki hapo. Hello. Unasema aje?
Hizo ni stream.
Mimi unataka kuongea na watu YouTube, via YouTube. Mko poa? I'm going to give someone 200. Niambie nini kwa last video, hata tulipe. Let us pay. Yaji? Yes, na stroke. Thank you. Hi.
Check it in your home.
Asante.
Shughuli iko sawa. Wazi wazi.
Sasa niende nimalize. Some more stuff man. Tununue nyama, sijui tununue nyama wapi. We're going to cook meat. Popo. Hapa nimebakisha kitu kweli, ndio naenda kuchukua kitu pale hivyo kwa duka na change. Nakwambia ka change naenda kuchukua na kitu pale hivyo. Leo niangalie. Hii ndio baki. Kwa sawa, asante. So guys, we're from the supermarket, man. In a minute, man. We're starting from town, man. It's crazy. Victoria Butchery. Yaji? Kuna beef. We are here. Boom! We are here. Remember what I told you. Wake up early and do whatever it takes to fix your wallet, strength and mind. We're here, man. I'm so excited, man. We're about to cook. We're about to cook at my favorite spot. It has taken me a whole hour to reach to this point, man. It is very hard to make this video, so guys, subscribe, man. Make sure like, subscribe, share, comment for more videos like this, and support me, man, to continue making these videos. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm trying to get some firewood. I don't know why I didn't thought of this. I didn't think I need some firewood. Now I need to go and search some firewood. I don't know why I'm excited about this. Anyway, there are no firewoods here, man. This is a whole log here. So there's a whole log here, and now I go, how am I supposed to? This one can do. This one can do. Yeah. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm doing this alone. It's crazy. No, how am I supposed to carry this? Let's go do this, man. Yes, let's go cook. Place, man, this is my favorite place. I like to come and chill here alone. Yeah. Hello. More. And I'm using this water to cook. I want to boil rice here. Iko sawa. So we get going here, man. Things are good, things are good. Moto iko sawa. Jika najua kupima ama don't want to put too much salt. I think that is enough. It's gonna be crazy. Make sure you try this, man. Now, do you wash your rice? Do you have to wash your rice? Should I wash? Great stuff. Guys, I hope my firewood is enough, man. So we're going to leave this here to cook. And then we go prepare the meat. Let's go prepare the meat. Damn! Can't believe I'm doing this. That one is ready. Inanisumbua kukata. Kwa nakataje hoho? I'm not cooking with this, man. Where's the matchbox? I have to let it boil fast. Let us go and check the rice. So there's my rice. There's my rice. My rice is boiling. And on the other side, I have my meat. So guys, our rice is ready, man. Yes, our rice is ready. It's ready. Now it's our meat, man. Our rice is ready. Yeah, so my meat has turned to golden brown, man. Going to enjoy this, man. Look at that. Food is ready, man. The food is ready. Look at the food. Look at how nice it looks. The food is ready. Then it has decided to rain, man. Like it's raining, man. Eee. So on this side it's raining, but look, the other side the sky is clear. Yeah guys, for me it's a wrap for today. I promised you the video. Thanks for watching until this time, and remember what I told you in the morning. Wake up very early, you can do everything possible to fix your wallet, mind and strength. Don't focus on things that are going to destroy you, man. So my prayer just for you to, my wish just for you to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Say comment if you enjoy my videos, what I should improve on. Yeah. Masalama. Peace. Yeah, so guys, that's a wrap for today's video. And guys, let me tell you something. When you come to places like this, ensure your light is off. Wacha hii ni evidence kwa karatasi. Si mnaona mimi nilizima moto yangu. And the other one. Yeah. So it has been a very good day. It has been a very great experience making this content. Let me see if I've left anything behind. Yeah, so guys, for today's video, it's a wrap, man. I've really enjoyed, man. Yeah. I'm going back home.